Alright, we're going to learn how to splatter now with a paintbrush. Last time we did it with a toothbrush. For a smaller scale, paintbrush can cover larger areas of whatever you're painting, especially for theater because you have to paint big things in theater. So I have that surface I was working on before. You see the little splatters over there. Now we're going to go for bigger, wider splatters. And I have a couple other things too. And I have my paint palette. Hopefully you can see this. I have some loose paint in those corners, some glazes of black and brown. I know my palette's really dirty, but yeah, it's just some loosened up paint with some water, some glazes, and I'm going to be setting, I already have one done here because I made this recording already, but we pressed the wrong button. So I'm going to put this on the floor because it's better to work that way. With the loose glazes, they can drip more easily, so you want to do this on the floor and let it dry there. The splatter's going to create nice little dots and stuff. It adds great texture to if you're doing something like brick or marble or stone or cut stone or tile. Okay, so I'm going to put my canvas on the floor. I'm going to grab my paintbrush, and this is what I always teach when it comes to splattering. You want to be Harry Potter, not Indiana Jones. So Indiana Jones is like, he cracks the whip, you know, it's like, it's very aggressive, it's very harsh. And when you splatter with that whip-like motion, you're going to get lines of splatter, which kind of look like a crime scene. What we want to do is kind of like lightly rain over our area with the little dots of paint, the splatters. And I'm just gonna do an example here. Let's see if you still see me. I'm dipping into my glaze, my paint, and have to use that thinned out paint because otherwise thick, sticky paint won't come off the paintbrush. And then all I'm gonna do is just kind of flick my wrist up and down, and it'll start to create little speckles, little splatters. And my cat is sitting right next to this, and I'm really there she goes. I'm really hoping Tango doesn't get splattered. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. And when you're not seeing any more splatter coming off the brush, that means you need to reload and dip in again. Alright, and I'll show you what this looks like. Let's see, there it is. Okay, so hopefully you get the idea, and there's our finished one over there. And as you can see, it's going to help add great texture to our surface.